Hey, would you like to design and automate your organization's processes with the help of artificial intelligence? With Qflow, you can do it. Log in with your Qflow username and enter Qflow Design. Remember, if you don't have an account yet, you can access a 3-month free trial through our website, qflowbpm.com, and start automating your processes today. Qflow Design is Qflow's workflow design tool. There, you can create a new process from scratch, access our customizable templates, and generate a new process with artificial intelligence. Let's try it! Imagine your organization needs to automate a personal selection process. Enter the description "personal selection" in the artificial intelligence assistant and click Generate. While your process is being designed, the AI assistant provides tips for its use. For example, to obtain more detailed processes, you can add the word "complex" to your description. And there you go! Your first process with artificial intelligence is generated. If the obtained flow meets your needs, you can confirm it. But what if the generated design does not meet the company's expectations? When facing a design that is too simple for your needs, you can choose to regenerate it. By clicking on Regenerate, Qflow Design brings you back to the first step of the assistant, where you must enter a new description to get a different result. For a more accurate process, enter in detail the steps the flow will need to go through. For example, I want a personal selection process that filters candidates' resumes. Those resumes that meet the requirements are sent to the recruiter, and those that do not are saved in a database for future calls. Once you have finished writing a new description, click Generate again. Bear in mind that the more detail in the description, the more accuracy in the generated process, including the roles, data, conditions, and steps required by your flow, will allow you to obtain a design specific to your organization's needs. A brand new process was generated by the assistant. Let's take a look. In this case, the process fits perfectly to my needs. Let's take it to the next level with a few adjustments. What if any candidate can submit the resume from your website, automatically starting a personal selection process in Qflow? To enable this, make sure the start event allows external users to the platform to complete the application form. In the addition, you can also add new actions. For example, send a notification to the unsuccessful candidate thanking them for participating in the process. Make all the edits you can think of to meet your organization's needs, but once you're satisfied with the result, do not forget to assign the flow as a production version to start using it. Now that your design is ready to be used, you can monitor it and respond to the tasks in Qflow Tasks. When a candidate applies for the vacancy, a task to filter resumes will appear in the recruiter's My Tasks view. To respond, open the task and access the information provided by the candidate, such as their previous experience and resume. There, you can select the corresponding response. Congratulations! You just generated your first process with the AI assistant. Ready to take your ideas from imagination to automation? Boost your processes with Qflow.